From the Storm Team Weather Lab, KAMC meteorologist Jacob Riley.
Well, good Tuesday morning. We're starting the day off pretty chilly here across the South Plains with areas on the Cap Rock below freezing. But the main word for today's forecast, layers. It's going to be warm this afternoon, so be ready to get rid of that jacket by around lunchtime. This morning, as we take a look at the jet stream across the country, pretty much cutting the country in half. You can see with the blue arrows there, a trough out east, but a little bit of a ridge here in our area, and that's partially to blame for the above average temperatures we've been experiencing over the past couple of days. Now, as we take a live sky view down at Lake Outland Henry, you can see a clear start to our day there. Even some of the stars still visible in the sky. Really going to be a nice day except for the wind here across West Texas, but we're pretty used to that for this time of year. Notice daytime highs topping out into the middle 60s and upper 50s off the Cap Rock into the rolling plains. We are expecting a partly cloudy sky across the region today and overnight tonight, as well as a cold front begins to move through the area. Those clouds will help us stay a few degrees warmer, but most areas on the Cap Rock will flirt with freezing by Wednesday morning, but Wednesday afternoon could see a few isolated showers over northeastern zones as high temperatures top out near their seasonal averages of 54 in Lubbock, 51 in Dimmitt, and 54 degrees in Snyder. Now, wind gusts throughout the day today, a little breezy at times out of the southwest, upwards of 30 to 40 miles per hour. But tonight, that cold front moves through, shifts our winds to the north and northwest by Wednesday afternoon, with wind gusts approaching 40 miles per hour. So unfortunately, if you're an allergy sufferer like myself, may have to wear the glasses tomorrow and have a few more of those sniffles and sneezes throughout the day on Wednesday. But by Thursday, it looks like those winds will begin to subside. For today, we do have an elevated risk for fire weather for all of the areas in that light orange region over northwestern portions of the South Plains, and that is where our drought conditions are the worst right now. So again, outdoor burning definitely not advised. Now, that cold front moves through, bringing that low pressure system through Arkansas by Thursday morning. But this second low pressure system that's expected to move through this weekend, that could be a little bit of a game changer for our forecast in the South Plains Saturday into Sunday. So what we're going to do, show you two of our forecast models this morning. First, the European model. Notice what it shows. By late Saturday evening, a cold rain and some light snow moving into the area, that lasting through Sunday morning. But it keeps most of the snow out of Lubbock. It keeps us drying out too by Sunday evening with drier air moving in on Monday. But the GFS model shows a little bit different of a solution this morning. Starts us off with a light rain there Saturday night into Sunday morning, but it brings more widespread snowfall into the area on Sunday, bringing more of that accumulation into the Lubbock metro, but it does also keep the sunshine back by Monday. So we show you these two models to let you know that they're really not in agreement this morning and likely won't be until this weekend, until about Friday. That's whenever we'll start to get a better grasp on the forecast. But what we do know is it's going to be warm and windy today, windy tomorrow with that blowing dust sticking around. It is going to be colder this weekend with highs on Sunday struggling to get out of the 30s. But again, it is looking more likely we're going to see that moisture return Saturday night through Sunday. And I do expect some portions of the South Plains to see snow Saturday night into Sunday. The main takeaways though right now, we don't know how much and we don't know who exactly is going to see it. But Kathleen, I know all of us here in Lubbock are hoping and praying that we can see some of that snow, since it's just really seemed to miss us almost every time this year so far.
Yeah, absolutely. And hey, we talked about that Lubbock bubble. I mean, man, hopefully it can just lift and we can get some of that snowfall.
Yeah, we definitely need it for our drought conditions too.
Absolutely. All right, thanks, Jacob.